Hello everybody and welcome back to Higher Learning Test Prep's online video tutorial series. Today number 51 out of an ACT. If the ratio x to y is 5 to 2 and y to z 3 to 2, what is the ratio of x to z? Okay, very much like the idea of a common denominator. Let's say denom. For instance, if we had, say, 3/8 plus 2/5 and we wanted to add those together, of course what we would do is we'd get a common denominator. One common denominator for 8 and 5 might be 40. 8 times 5 is 40. So let's do our numerator times 5 as well. That would be 15. And then to get 40 from our denominator of 5, let's multiply it times 8. And then multiply the numerator times 8. So we would have 16 plus 15 over 40. Okay, that's the common denominator. Common y is the same idea. Let's get a common y. Y in this case is 2. Y in this other scenario is 3. Let's make y equal 6. So for instance, if we have x to y is 5 to 2, when we want to make the y 6's, we can say multiply both by 3, both the x and y by 3, 15 to 6. Now we can do the same thing with the x's, or I'm sorry, the y's and the z's. Y to z is 3 to 2. Now, when we want to get our y equal to a 6, of course, we're going to multiply by 2. So here's 6. Multiply the 2 by 2 as well, 6 to 4. Now we have our z is 4, our x is 15. They want to know the ratio of x to z. Well, 15 to 4, which cannot be broken down. So there we go. Okay, so this is the idea of using a common y, which is very similar to the idea of a common denominator. A nice foolproof way of making sure you get this question right in a common sense approach. Okay, stay tuned for more tips.